Yes, let's have a look at the GMS120 Professional. This is a multi-purpose scanner or a detector, and really this is an insurance policy against drilling into cables, pipes or undesirable objects. And the 120 means that this will detect metal, ferrous metal specifically, up to a depth of 120 millimeters. It's very easy to operate. It's powered by one 9-volt battery, which is stuck into the little battery compartment at the back there. There are 3 detection modes. This one on the left-hand side is for dry wall, stud work, partition work. Okay. If you then want to make the product look more specifically for metal, we have a metal-only mode in the middle here, and we have a especially sensitive mode on the end here for detecting live wires. This is one of the few detectors on the market that will actually differentiate and indicate whether the metal is ferrous, i.e. iron-based, or non-ferrous, which could well be copper in the case of a pipe. It differentiates that and shows it on the screen, which is quite cool, so you can positively identify the presence of a water pipe, for example, which you certainly don't want to drill into. It has to be placed on the surface of the wall. The product self-calibrates and then gives you a green light saying in that position there you could safely drill a hole. So as we scan across here on our little test wall, you'll see that as we get closer to an item, the LED there changes colour to green. There is also an amber condition as well, but you'll notice that I'm scanning through a few times because the product is learning the wall or the substrate and is becoming more sensitive each time you pass the target. And in this case we're homing in on a non-ferrous target here. In the display, I hope you can see it, there's actually a little north-south permanent magnet showing there with a cross through it, and I'll just kill the indication at the moment. We've got the word center has appeared at the bottom of the screen here, which means the product has decided where the center of the object that it's found is, and clearly you wouldn't drill in that position. It's found this copper pipe. Okay. So moving across here now, we have a different story. If I put the alarm on here or enable the sounder, you can see now that the unit is operating in a different way now. We've got a lightning sign in the display, which indicates that this is a live cable, and clearly you shouldn't drill near a live cable. That would be a recipe for disaster. And over here we've got a nice chunk of wood behind, and again, as you scan through, the signals get stronger and it locates the center more reliably until you eventually settle down with the word center there. And in the display, if the camera can pick it up, you've got a new symbol there, which is an iron girder or an iron bar, which is crossed out, meaning that this is non-metallic, and obviously it's wood, as we can see. And so again, you've got the benefit of being able to track down stud work. The key thing is, if you've decided where you want to drill, the best thing to do before you pick up your combi or your STS hammer is to run a scanner over those locations, and you may find some surprises. You can't assume that there's nothing in the wall that will give you grief when you pick up the drill. So I think that's it really. That's the GMS120 Professional multi-scanner from Bosch, and certainly worth putting one of those in every carry case with your drilling machine.